We have a late 2014 Vauxhall Astra estate. This is the 2-litre CDTI and it's the elite model, so it's got a ton of extras. This one is a category S from the insurance company. It's got 53,000 miles, it's a 2-owner, and it's got loads of service history. In fact, it's all from Vauxhall and Vauxhall Specialist, and it's literally just been serviced a couple hundred miles ago. So we've got at the front, we have fog lights and front park assist, which is nice. There's no damage around this front at all. That's a decent clean car, this one. And down the side is lovely and tidy, and on the top as well, there's no damage. It's actually got pretty new discs and pads on it, and yeah, pretty much nearly new tyres all the way around as well. And on the back, it's got rear privacy glass, obviously parking sensors at the back, nice chrome trim on it. There's no damage around here. It's been pretty much looked after. You can see it's super duper clean inside. I don't think it's been used actually as the typical estate car. This one's clean. So we've got some damage down this side, and it's done that there to the rear door. It hasn't touched this main part here or from that part of the door onwards, so we're all nice and clean there. But I've actually bought another door in exactly the same colour. It's done some damage down here. Someone's taped it up with something, so I don't really know why. There's obviously some damage under there, but that will need to be painted and tidied up because that's there. But this gap is big because this door's been squashed and it's been turned over. And that is it. Inside, it is lovely. It's got full leather all the way around. It's got electric windows front and back. It's got power fold mirrors. It's got auto lights. It's got telephone kit. It's got cruise control. It's got heated seats, dual climate control, decent radio, anti-dim rear view mirror, and probably a few other extras as well. But yeah, nice, clean car. And when a door is swapped over there, and a tiny little bit of work on it, so the fact the sill is all the way straight down the bottom, so it's just clipped that rear corner. And the wheels are obviously straight. So typically 53,000 miles with load of service history with a good spec. These start at 5,995 and you'll probably see them all the way up to 7. But I think for a realistic price on this, 4,500 will be a very fair price, and it will make someone a super duper car for a long time.